In this video, I'll explain 10 multiple choice questions from 2022 paper, Set-1. Code is 30/3/1. So here, the first question is the HCF of 135 and 225. So if we'll do 135 prime factors, so here 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 1, 3 times 5, 3 times 5. So 135 is 3 cube into 5. Next 225 is 15 perfect square, but I'll do it 3 times 7, 3 times 5, 3 times 25 and 5 times 5. So 225 is 3 square into 5 square. So here HCF is the product of prime factors with the least power. So 3 square into 5, the product of common prime factors with the least power. Here 3 square and 5, so which is 9 times 5, 45. So the correct option is here C. Next question, if you'll see, the exponent of 2 in the prime factorization of 144. So prime factorization of 144. So 2 times 72, 2 times 36, 2 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 3. So 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. The exponent of 2 in 144 prime factorization is 4. So the correct option is B. The common difference of an AP whose nth term is an equals 3n plus 7. See, directly you can answer the common difference, the coefficient of n, which is 3. So the common difference is 3. So the correct option is A. Now next one. See, I'll explain the same thing. Like 3n plus 7 is an. So if we'll find first term, 3 into 1 plus 7, which is 3 plus 7, which is nothing but 10. A2, 3 into 2 plus 7, 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 7, which is nothing but 13. So now common difference formula is A2 minus A1. So 13 minus 10, which is nothing but 3. Or directly you can answer the coefficient of n, numerical coefficient of n. Next question, the value of lambda if x square plus 4x plus lambda is a perfect square. See, if it is a perfect square, if they'll ask perfect square, you should be careful. The roots will be like equal. So if roots are equal, b square minus 4ac will be 0. So here in place of b we have 4. 4 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is lambda. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 lambda equals 0. 16 equals 4 lambda. Lambda equals 16 by 4. So the value of lambda is 4. So the correct option is D. Next one, the value of k for which the pair of linear equations have infinite solutions. See, when they have infinite solutions here, first line is kx plus y equals k square and x plus ky equals 1. So condition for infinite lines is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 and that equals c1 by c2. So if we'll substitute the values, k by 1, 1 by k equals k square by 1. So if you cross multiply here, you're getting like k square equals 1 k square equals 1. So k equals root 1. So root 1 is nothing but, you'll write like plus or minus. So k equals plus or minus 1. But once check the third condition here. Here you are getting k cube. If you cross multiply, k cube equals 1. So k equals cube root 1. So k equals, here it should be cube root 1, which is nothing but plus 1 only. So plus or minus 1, 1 and minus 1. 3 options are given in the question. But the correct option will be only 1. Because if you take minus 1, it will not satisfy. I'll show you once. See here, k. In place of k, now I'll take minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 equals 1 by minus 1. Till here it's fine. But the last one, minus 1 whole square by 1. See, this value you are getting minus 1. This value you are getting minus 1. But this you will get plus 1. So they will not be equal. So that's why the correct answer is B. Minus 1 will not satisfy here. So correct answer is B. The value of P for which 2P plus 1, 10, 5P plus 5 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. See, this is A, B and C. So if A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then the condition is 2B equals A plus C. So here 2 times B, 10, equals A plus C, 2P plus 1, 5P plus 5. 2 times 10, 20. 2P plus 5P is 7P. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7P is 20 minus 6. 7P is 14. P equals 2. So the correct option is D. Next one, the number of terms in the series. So it is 5, 9, 13, so on, 185. Here A is 5, D is A2 minus A1, 9 minus 5, which is 4, and AN is 185. So AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D is 185. 5 plus N minus 1 into 4 is 185. 5 plus 4N minus 4 is 185. 4N, 5 minus 4 is 1, is 185. So 4N equals 185 minus 1. So N equals 4N equals 184. N equals 184 by 4. So here now 4 times 1, 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. So number of terms are like 46. Here we don't have the option 46, but if you want you can check 46th term, A46 is A plus 45D. Here A is 5, 5 plus 45 times D is 4. So 5 plus 45 times 4 is 45 times 2 is 90, 4 is 180. So it's 185. So correct option should be like 46. So N should be 46 terms. It should be 46 terms. In the figure, number of the graph of the polynomial p of x is given, the number of zeros of the polynomial. See, the graph clearly cuts at 2 points, so we'll get like 2 zeros. It cuts at 2 points, so we'll get 2 2 zeros, so correct option is B. Next one, if A and A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment joining, so A comma B is the midpoint of A, 10 comma minus 6, B K comma 4, and A minus 2B is 18. We need to find the value of K. Okay, so here midpoint of this formula, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, value is A comma B. So x1 y1, x2 y2, 10 plus k by 2 minus 6 plus 4 by 2, 10 plus k by 2 as it is, minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 by 2, A comma B. If you write one more step, 10 plus k by 2 minus 1 is A comma B. So the value of A is 10 plus k by 2, B is minus 1. This I'll substitute here. A is 10 plus k by 2 minus 2 into B is minus 1 equals 18. 10 plus k by 2 plus 2 equals 18. 10 plus k by 2 is 18 minus 2. 10 plus k by 2 is 16. So 10 plus k equals 2 times 16 is 32. So k is 32 minus 10, which is nothing but 22. So the correct option is B. These two questions may not come for like CBSE 2024 because one is based on like area, the other one is also from triangles based on area. So the first question is here 3 points like A 0 comma 1, B 2 comma k, C 4 comma minus 5. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle, area will be 0 here because the points are collinear. So half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equals 0. So if we substitute the values, half mod x1 is 0, k minus of minus plus 5, x2 is 2, y3 is minus 5, minus y1 is 1, x3 is 4, y1 is 1, y2 is k equals 0. This total is 0. This 2 if we'll transpose over here, we'll get 0. So modulus, this is 0. So 2 into this is minus 6, which is minus 12, plus 4 into 1 4, 4 into k minus 4k. So now minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8 minus 4k equals 0. So as it is modulus, so minus if we'll take common, 8 plus 4k equals 0. So absolute value, so I'll take only the positive. 8 plus 4k equals 0. So 4k equals minus 8. K equals minus 8 by 4. So k equals minus 2. So the correct option is B. Next one. If the area of two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas. So here see, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. So area theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, here corresponding sides and square. But AB is 1.2, DE is 1.4. So if we'll like 1.2 12 by 10 and 14 by 10. So you will get here 12 by 10, 10 cancel, 12 by 14 whole square. 12 by 14 whole square. So that we can write as 6 by 7 whole square. That is nothing but 36 by 49. So 36 is to 49 is the correct answer. Here see 1.2 by 1.4. You can write as 12 by 10, 14 by 10. 10, 10 cancel. So 12 by 14, which is 6 by 7. So which if you'll square it, 36 by 49. So correct option is D.